6 months out of the year, I'm living on a cruise ship. In the summers, we're usually in Alaska, and it's wintertime right now, and we're getting ready to head to the Amazon rainforest. Now, all of the different climates take a toll on my skin. I'm 42 years old, this is my skin, I have no filter on. Now, when I'm in Alaska, I don't mind wearing makeup ashore, but when I'm down here in the Caribbean and heading to the Amazon, where it is hotter than a hoochie coochie, or I don't know what else to say, it's hot. You step outside and you start sweating. You don't want to wear makeup, so I'm going to show you what I use. So most of you know I've been using the Elemis superfood products for over 5 years. As you can tell, I am almost out of my bottle of superfood facial oil. We're gonna put just a little bit on for hydration, and we're gonna rub that in. I've already put on my sunscreen after I washed my face. I just want a little bit of hydration there. So we put on the Elemis superfood facial oil, and then we're gonna use the Elemis superfood glow priming moisturizer, but as you can tell, this bottle is almost gone. So we need to crank out a new one here. This is the first thing that I ever showed you guys on social media. And when I showed you what happens before and after with using the Elemis superfood, no joke, you had bought over $40,000 worth of Elemis superfood. And I'll have it below if you would like to get some. But here is my face before. This bottle lasts me about 6 months, just to let you guys know. The bottle is around $50, but it lasts a long time. So there's how much I use. And then I am using this instead of makeup. Now I want you to see how beautiful my face is going to glow. And I love the smell of it too. But when I wear this and I go out, people are like, oh my gosh, your skin is so glowy and radiant. This is the Elemis Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. I'll have it down there for you, but this is what I wear. So this is what I'm gonna go into port with. I'm not gonna have heavy makeup on because it is hot out there. And for all of you that are wearing heavy makeup out in these ports, kudos to you. But I wanna go out, I wanna wear sunscreen, a little bit of my superfood facial oil, and my glow priming moisturizer, and that is all I'm going to wear out. Besides clothes, I'm putting clothes on. Y'all are probably like, thank gosh she's putting clothes on.